Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat. You're watching iGyaan, and today we've got a really special video for you guys. So let's get started. Now we all know that OnePlus has launched a few colors this year for the OnePlus 5T, including the black color, the Star Wars limited edition white, and the white sandstone, which is basically the Star Wars edition without the Star Wars branding. And then finally, they've launched the lava red color. So we've got the lava red color here in the box. And then we also have a Xiaomi MiA1, which is also in their limited edition red color. So we're going to be unboxing both of these and taking a look at that. It all started when last year Apple launched the iPhone in a product red variant, which I also have over here. And that basically fueled the excitement for red color smartphone. I feel that a lot more other colors can be brought about, but the industry follows a trend, so let's quickly go ahead and unbox this. So the OnePlus Lava Red will be available only in the 8GB plus 128GB variant for $37,999. The phone is available on sale right now, and I'll leave a link to buying it in the description below. Now, the stock is going to be limited. It is a limited edition color, so for those who are interested, definitely go check it out. We might also do a giveaway, so if you guys want a giveaway of the red colored MiA1 or the OnePlus 5T Lava Red color, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll also leave a link to buying the MiA1 outright without waiting for the flash sales from where I got it. I got it from banggood.com. So I'll leave a link for that in the description below as well. The first thing inside the box, just like any other OnePlus 5T, is the OnePlus 5T Lava Red color. Now the color is quite bright and quite nice to look at. The phone in itself, OnePlus's branding has been white and red for a while, and I'm surprised it took them 5 iterations of the phone or more iterations of the phone to launch a red color. Everything inside the box else is the same, so you do get a protection silicone case inside the box, which is a clear case in the case of the red color, so that you can show off the red colored OnePlus 5T. Everything else is the same, so you get a SIM ejector tool, some documentation, the dash charger, and the USB cable. Now with the MiA1, it's different because the OnePlus 5T does have a screen protector that's pre-installed. In the MiA1, the first thing inside the box is the MiA1 itself, but it does not have a screen protector pre-installed. So we'll remove the plastic packaging from here. And if you look at the colors of both of these phones, they're basically identical devices from the back. The finish, the color, the sheen, the exact hue of the color is also identical in both of these devices. If I go further in, we'll get the typical set of documentation, and then you also have the 5V 2A charger along with the USB Type-C cable. What's interesting is that there is a screen protector inside the box of the MiA1, the global variant that we've purchased, so you can go ahead and install that by yourself. So that's a good thing included inside the box. Now coming back to the OnePlus, the color is slightly different when compared to the iPhone 7 that I have over here in the product red color. We're expecting Apple to launch the iPhone 8 in the product red, possibly an iPhone 10 in product red as well. That'll look absolutely fantastic, but we'll have more information on that separately. The OnePlus 5T looks absolutely brilliant. The color, like I mentioned, is different from the iPhone, but looks good nonetheless. Personally, I would like to use this phone without a cover because the feel in the hand is quite nice. It's the same finish that you would get on a black OnePlus 5T, and it's not like the sandstone finish that you get on the white color. Now everything else inside is exactly the same. You have the same operating system. You have Oxygen OS out of the box. The phone does support 2 SIM cards, and you do have dual cameras on the back with the portrait mode capabilities. Everything else as far as specifications, performance, features, and capabilities is exactly the same. The phone in itself is available in this red color. Now the MiA1 in the red color is also a fantastic option, and like I mentioned, for the same price approximately, you can get it from the link in the description without waiting for flash sales. So I'll leave that in the description below. If I can find a coupon code, I'll leave that in the description below as well. So this was a quick look at the new OnePlus 5T Lava Red variant. Now, like I mentioned, the phone is already on sale, and the links to buying it, the MiA1, are also in the description below, so go check those out. If you have any questions or queries, do let me know. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to smash that like button. If you're not already a part of Team iGyaan, you want to hit that subscribe button right now, because we have a really special video coming out today that you would want to watch. So stay tuned. This has been Bharat. I will see you in the next one.